the only sustainable form of business leadership is thought leadership. So when you're at an event like this, and you're going to hear from people a heck of a lot smarter than I am, but as you're kind of processing all this and trying to figure out what does it mean for me, you got to give yourself permission to step back and don't necessarily think about what are the customer segments or markets around which we're building the business, or what are all the pressures bearing down on the business. Ask yourselves, what are the ideas that define how we do business and that distinguish us from how everybody else in this field does business? That's where creativity and leadership and growth begin. Or let me put it slightly differently. You know, all the sort of problems and pressures in the world, so many of us spend so much of our time wrestling with that age-old business cliche buzzword, what keeps you up at night? What are the problems and worries that nag at you? But what I've become convinced by is that the much more powerful question, especially for your colleagues back home, isn't what keeps you up at night, but what gets you up in the morning? What makes you and your colleagues more excited than ever, more determined than ever, and maybe most importantly, more confident than ever in a world which seems more uncertain, more worrisome, and quite a lot of the time more threatening than ever?